Okay, so I've programmed the microcode. I programmed the ROM, which has the program. So let's power it up. So, problem with my board is I don't have a reset yet. I need to wire in a reset button so I can clear everything. All I can do is hope that when it powers up to 0, and sometimes it does. So, let me power it up again. Nope. Yes. Okay, so it did something. Let me power it up again, see if I can show you what it does. That was a little fast. There we go. There we go. You see it counting? So, it went by kind of fast. Maybe you can slow down your video. But it counted 10 times, and then it displayed 0, 1, which is the contents of the first instruction. I thought it was going to, oh, that's right. It's doing that 10 times. So it's showing the number 1 10 times. And then it's really hard to catch. You can watch the program counter. You see 0, then you see 1, and then you see 3. So it does go to instruction 3, and then it just goes wacky. So we've done everything correct except for the jump instruction. The jump instruction is funny. And I think I know what's going on there, and that's because the microcode is not set to 0. Remember, we stuffed the program counter to 0, but the microcode continues to count because it's not at 0. So we need to have the microcode at 0, and we need to have the PC counter with its new address. So another way to say it is I need to put in the new address. That can happen at any time into the program counter. But when I go out of the instruction, let's see, maybe I don't have it right. It should take 0. I don't know. I think these are out of sync. Anyway, that's my theory. I need to look at the code a little farther, but let's see if we can't slow it down and get it to clear. There we go. Nope. 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 Almost. Okay, program counter's counting. There we go. So the program counter's counting, this is counting, this is counting. Everything's working correctly. It's going very slow. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then on the 10th instruction, this went really funny. Interesting. Maybe I'll set up a single step instead of. I've been thinking about adding a run-stop switch to the clock and then have a single step so I can execute single instructions. Maybe that's a good thing to do now that we have it up and running. But we did successfully execute at least some instructions out of RAM, and had it increment the program counter, had it look into RAM, put that into the instruction register. So I think we've executed our first instruction out of ROM, which is really cool. So we just need to figure out how to make sure everything's in sync.